This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Principles, Unit 5, Building Apps, Lesson 14, Building an App Image Scroll, Puzzle 4, using key up and key down. On the last level, we played with the key press event. Let's take a look at some of the other key events. You're going to get a chance to play with key up and key down in this level. Pay attention to the different values of event.key for key down and key press. Switch the event type to key down. Event type key down. Okay. Try out. And make sure I think we still need to click the screen. Okay. Try the arrow keys. Shift. Alt. Huh. Okay. What's key up do? Reset, run. I clicked the screen. I'm not sure if it's... Oh, so I'm holding down the letter L. And, that's cool. Here, let me see. Yeah, you do need to... Oh, no, I guess not. Maybe you don't have to click the screen now. I thought you did. But cool. So once you let go. Neat. I can't wait to see what we can do with all this. Let's keep going.